bummer for me. I came here for a face toner. Shopping when you're emotional, because you end up picking everything thinking it's gonna cheer you up, and then later regret it. So wish me luck, guys. I'm in trouble. I'm so in trouble, you guys. I don't know. Okay, let me get the face mask and then we get out of here. Guys, the jacket is back on. Yeah, let the sun not deceive you guys. It's actually cold. Actually crossed from Tkmax to Müller. Terrible decision made, but at the same time I'm okay with that because I just wanted something to cheer me up today. The last 3 days have been crazy hella on me. I needed that. I just needed something to cheer me up. I know material things shouldn't do that for me, but sometimes shit does. So yeah.
To the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment, take on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality, jump on jealousy, my don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an empty left in my bed. I don't know about you, I'd put you first. I bought some new flowers, they're all dead. First you are in, then you are out. Like
It's the next day. Steffi is down with a cold, and of course I'm not surprised. She has literally passed this on me. I don't feel so good, you guys. Like, I just hope that it doesn't get any worse. But it's the next day. I haven't talked to you guys since this vlog started. Well, I did, but I don't count that as talking to you guys. So welcome to another vlog. I'm just gonna get my skincare out of the way, and yeah. I just messed up. Last few days have been quite crazy with my migraines. I lost an auntie. I've just been down, you guys. It's time for me to plan the whole Uganda trip because I'm homesick and it is constant, guys. It is constant. Usually I'm like homesick one day, then I let it go, but this time around it's not leaving, it's constant. And what is getting me is I've cancelled like 2 times the whole Uganda trip, you guys, because things keep coming up and I'm like, oh, I have to stay, I cannot go. And now this whole thing of losing my auntie, this is the life I chose, so I have to balance. I really have to balance this whole thing, spend quality time with my family back home in Uganda and people here. It has gotten to me and I just can't take it anymore, so I have to balance this whole thing. Guys, I was thinking of having a second pierce, but the problem is my first one is right in the center. Guys, I'm all ready. I'm gonna change the pants when we are leaving to the Bauhaus. But you guys, last year I wanted certain sandals from Zara. Stop, Steffi. I wanted certain sandals from Zara, but my size was sold out. Looked online, couldn't find them, and guess what? I finally found those sandals in Tkmax. I had to get them, and I'm so happy. They look so beautiful, and they feel so comfortable on my feet. But anyways, let me get something to eat.
Me too.
Dear Steffi, what is that you're having?
A ring?
No.
But
I think I'm falling sick. Now I feel cold.
Hi, I'm also mommy. to eat your
matcha, and some bread, some greens, and egg, apple for fruit. So I'm just gonna eat like fast. Then I can do Steffi's hair. Once I'm done doing Steffi's hair, I'm gonna change the pants. Also maybe put on a coat because it's cold, and we're gonna head to the Bauhaus and get the wallpaper for the TV wall, if that makes sense. So yeah, my food is looking all good. Also guys, an update on the matcha kits. It is serving me so well. I'm enjoying it. I don't know how many matchas I've had so far. I'll go with the matcha kit any time of the day, so there is that. But let me eat and do Steffi's hair, then we're gonna head to the Bauhaus, and I'll also show you guys the progress of the house once we drop the wallpaper there. She's actually been home since yesterday. Today as well, she's not in kindergarten. I think I talked about the whole cold situation in this house when I was in the bathroom getting ready. You guys, I feel bad for my girl. She's not okay. I guess I'll do her hair when we come back. I just don't understand why I feel cold. Yeah. It's like the whole house is sick. Not nice.
Like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time. Your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Oh, spend a little time. I need your time. Spend a little time, yeah. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. I just want your 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 time. Your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Just want your time. You make me feel like we could be something more. The way your light shines, there's no shadows anymore. But then you put doubts in my mind. Still, you make me feel like we could be something more, something more. First you are in, then you are out.
How'd you know?
Going there by the things shortly.
And later, until my birthday, 9th of March.